guys, so welcome back to Code with Mousree. So I'm here with my new game. Oh, okay, it was my actually it is the noise from my kitchen. So this is a game by me. I named it as Rainbow. So let's see what it does. Wow, so relaxing. Oh no. Okay guys, so let's see how to make it. Okay, so you need a GIF. Okay guys, so let's see how to make it. So first you need a GIF like this. I just upload it from the Google. You can get any GIF like this. It is just rain. Okay, and this is the script of the sprite, and you know that you can do it as GIF. Okay, and this is a star. You can get this is nothing actually, because it is a single oval, not circle. Okay, so this is the script of it. Number 1 is this, number 2 is this, and number 3 is this. And in sounds I got the melody. I got it. The melody of nature means 6,672. And let's go to the what name is sprite to BNHOU. Okay, so this is I naming it just for saving. Actually, you can call it as thumbnail. Okay, so this is the thumbnail, and this delete. Now save it. Let's pray. Okay guys, I hope you like. If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe it my channel and share my videos. Bye guys.